In some cases, it might make sense to place families, such as windows, in a view other than a plan. Windows need to be placed in the southern wall of this building, but the design calls for them to be placed at the very top of the retaining wall. It will make more sense to place these windows from an elevation view. Open the southern elevation view from the project browser by double-clicking it. To place a window, select the Window command from the Home tab of the ribbon. Position the windows close to the top edge of the lower wall on the elevation. Temporary dimensions may also be used to help positioning the windows. In some cases, a family loaded into the project may be very close to what is needed but not an exact match. For example, the window looks correct and has all the right geometry, but is the incorrect size. In this case, a new family type can be created from the existing family. Select the window in the project, and then click the Edit Type button on the Properties palette. The Type Properties dialog is opened for this window family. To create a different size, the current type is duplicated and renamed. Then the type parameters related to the window size are changed to create a new window type of the correct size. Now the other window can be selected and the size changed using the type selector. On the Modify tab, use the Align tool, clicking the top of the wall first and then the window frame to align the windows to the top edge of the wall. When the Align tool is used, a lock icon will appear near the elements. This lock can be clicked if a constraint needs to be established. Windows can also be placed in a plan view. The Window tool is selected and a new, larger window type is chosen from the type selector. When placing a window in a plan view, the height the window is placed at is determined by the sill height parameter in the Properties palette. These windows are labeled with a tag as they are placed because the Tag on Placement button is toggled on in the Contextual tab. Once the windows are approximately placed, a string of dimensions is added. Once the dimensions are placed, the EQ symbol on the dimension string is clicked to create an equality constraint on the elements. When the wall is moved, the windows will also be repositioned in order to maintain the equality constraint that has been applied to them.